Hey there, I'm Chad Gustin, and this is my 400-pound maximum weight Rolling Thunder pull-up. I'm gonna get my total body weight with the belt on, ankle weights, and chest weight all on at once. Okay, so 357.35. And then I'm gonna grab the plate weight. Here's a 45-pound weight. Okay, 45.75. Okay. All right. And I'm going to wipe down the handle. Wipe these down. All right, strap the weight on. Okay. All right. We're gonna get kind of in front there. Come on, one big one, Chad. Big pull, big pull. Pull. All right, let's go. Let's go.
Yes, good
Great.
job.
All right, now let me take the handles off. Show how they roll. Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you.